I am Johannes Rada from Ethiopia. This is the virtual exhibition on land information system. This land information system very comprehensive system and it developed based on open source technologies. It applies also the land administration domain model. It's an ISO standard. And this is the overview of how the system is deployed. It starts from the district, from mass reg up to the federal level. This is the development path and the system is on the production version now. This is sample of the reports based on the database. This is the integrated textual and spatial. And also this is the number of coverage parcels. And this is the use related data. And this one is gender disaggregated data. This one also land is related data on the textual part if you want. This is the area range. And also this is a summary of transactions. The system is also a web distributed system and we access through the web application. So you can log into the modules. So this is MassRec and this is the information related to the holder. So we can encoding all related to the holders. This is the guardian if any. And this is the photo of the landholder and the system supports that one. You can upload that. And this one is related to the parcel information or parcel attributes. This is if there any interest and if there is any dispute also the system supports that one is evidence that ensures the landholder finally submit and this next to the proceed the next teaser. So the system is supports 14 stages, but now we're focusing on 2. This is the public display stage. So we can see the textual and the spatial how it's integrated and we can easily filter out based on the parameters also, and you can easily clicking on the parcel and if you want to see the textual information. Here is the report that's really also is paramount important. This is the example. We have the standard report and the custom report. This is the household related report, for example. That's male headed, female headed, and joint. You can see also the textual and the spatial integrated reports with different colors. And we can also generate other reports like the status of report example, based on the tasks. This is important. The other thing is the land registration activity is not end by itself, so it also contains the subsequent registrations. So the subsequent region is support also that one, or the transaction. It supports the local language and the English as well. So it's login to that module. And this is the parcels that's stored in the system. And this one is the different transaction types that's approved by the landholder. And this is the thematic map you can easily visualize. This one is the front desk or the front service like searching and others. For example, we can zoom in and zoom out to those parcels. And we can easily also searching by first name, father name, grandfather name, and also by the selecting the qabalis or the administrative units also. This is, for example, searching all the parcels in the system in that entire qabali and to the specific holding as well. We can see the parcels and we can zoom in to that particular parcel. And also you can view the holders information. This is parcel information attribute and the parcel geometry that belongs to those holder. This is the holders and the tenant. For example, this is the landholders, husband and wife, is couple. If there is any restriction, it's servited as well. So it's very important to provide information on the. And let's demonstrate one transaction type, the divorce. So let's load the parcel first, since it's a divorce and the parcels are stored in the system. So we can just load that and next to the activities, and we can upload the ID or the identity for those couples. And you can browse and also upload those data. And next, and we can assign the parcels to either splitting or assign to one of them. And we can upload the legal documents that assures this holding just belongs to them as well. Yeah. So this is all after we review all the information we registered this transaction. and if it's successfully, the officer will continue to registering transaction. But for the time being, let's log into the next export to review and manipulate the data. So let's log in as export with different user and password. So there is one transaction that's sent to the export, and you can see from here it's only cancel transaction, and you can see the details as well. And now it needs GIS requirement, so we customized the plugin in Quantum GIS just to split the parcels or to support any GIS related workers. This is, for example, requires to split the parcel into two to the couples because it's divorce transaction. So after splitting, if the exports are assigned the parcels to each holder, and if it's successfully, it's back to the web application and refresh. After refresh, the parcels are, it shows the parcels are splitting, and it also checks the documents if it's correctly uploaded and if all the informations are correct. So after it's checked all these things, it's sent to the supervisor for approval. So it's log out and log into the supervisor with different user and password. So the supervisor also will check all the details and the parcels, the splitted one and other. So the supervisor has two options: accept and also cancel. So it's accept. And now the next task is to print the certificate and deliver to the landholder. So the officer will check that one, and the printing is web based, so the officer print and deliver to the landholder. If the certificate delivered to the landholder, the transaction is closed and is ready for another transaction. Fine. So the second the important is the report also on based on the subsequent transactions. So the report, we have standard report and the custom report. Let's see some reports, for example, based on the household, this male-headed, female-headed, and joint and institution, for example. So this is very important. The other thing is based on the age group. These age groups are very important, for example, for the use and for further investigation and analysis. This is based on the age group. So we can easily generate a report and also use as input or based for, especially for any development. This is also based on the area range. This is very important also for the land consolidation as well. So this is also the information related to the area range. The other thing is also information on the access to credit because